there's so many opportunities with this that, like I said, I was telling James, I'm like, I don't know if we want to do this video because, man, this is powerful stuff.
But when you sit back and you say, my gosh, I have the power of these three crazy tools in and of themselves working together, how can you not crush whatever the niche is?
Welcome back to Making Money with AI. And today we have a banger of a video for you. We're excited today to share with you something just mind-boggling. In fact, I was talking to James and going, I don't know if we want to release this video. We might want to turn this into a course, a product, because it's really amazing. So here's what I want to share with you today. We're talking about a way to create a faceless YouTube channel that is in a popular niche that's going to get a ton of traffic and that you can dominate any niche in. So if you, for example, want to be an affiliate for a product about weight loss, let's say, you can develop a faceless YouTube channel all about that topic, but then attach some hot trending news, hot trending items to it. So James, if you don't mind, like just break this down for us, how this is going to work.
Yeah, why'd you say I need to talk about weight loss, Dave? Are you trying to tell me something here? No, but in all seriousness, there's so many different ways that you can go after the game. And that's why we love this channel so much and we love AI so much. When you can go after literally any niche and have the power of AI generating content, especially for trending topics, that's when you can really crush it. When you can have the world, when you can have the internet telling you, hey, everybody's interested in this right now. That's the time to go at it. That's the time when it's hot, strike while the iron's hot. That's what this is all about. And when you use the power of what we're going to show you in this video, it's crazy what you can do.
It is. So step one is basically you want to start with a hot, popular, trending niche, right? And we know Taylor Swift is hot, popular, trending all the time, right? So what you want to do is you want to type in, for example, Taylor Swift into Wikipedia. It's going to give you all the information about Taylor Swift. For those that don't know, I don't know if anybody doesn't know, she's a hot, popular singer, etc. So what this is going to give you is all the information about her, right? So what you're going to want to do is grab all this information and go to ChatGPT, type this in, go to ChatGPT and say, please summarize this and make it into a video script or voiceover.
Now, and while you're doing that, Dave, while you're doing that, one thing that I see all the time going on with marketing, and I watch this myself, for example, on YouTube, is the fact that there's all these people that are like, did you know this about this person? Giving facts about someone. People love to do that. So when you go to Wikipedia, not that I have time to read all these articles, but when you go to Wikipedia, it's telling you Taylor Swift was born here. Here's how she gets her early start. Did you know this about her? So when you're putting this into Wikipedia and getting that script, of course, again, like you said, everybody or a lot of people are into Taylor Swift right now. When you get a video that's like, did you know this about Taylor Swift? And you're basically just regurgitating the Wikipedia article. There's going to be a lot of people that honestly don't know some of these facts about Taylor Swift. And what do?
Right.
You get that traffic and then you drive it to maybe an affiliate offer about Taylor Swift of maybe you're selling a Taylor Swift t-shirt, or maybe Taylor Swift is so fit and attractive, etc. Well, you know what? Maybe you can get a little bit closer to Taylor Swift with this weight loss product.
Right.
That's the kind of thing that you can do, getting that traffic and then pointing it where you need it to go.
That is the key. Number one is we're using the power of video, we're using the power of YouTube, and we're using the popularity and or the trendingness of a topic to drive a lot of traffic to whatever you want to do. So as we see here, ChatGPT is summarizing at least a portion of that article, right? And it's summarizing it. And by doing that, then this is going to give us a script that we're going to plug into the next tool. So far, we're using three tools. We're using Wikipedia, we're using ChatGPT AI, and then we're going to use another AI tool that actually creates the video for you. It's just amazing, right? So you're going to take this script here, copy it, and then you're going to take that and put it into this tool called InVideo. Now, InVideo is an amazing tool because what it does is it takes a script and it actually creates an entire video for you. We're going to do a walkthrough on this in a future episode, but basically, look, you've got 5,000 professionally created video templates. You've got single-click shortcuts. You've got an AI way to boost productivity and make the video really fast. You can click on try text to video. And what you're going to want to do here is go to InVideo AI here at the top and go to the YouTube video editor. It will take your script and it'll make a YouTube video complete, like including B-roll, including script, the voiceover, including the captions. If you want to add that, everything is in there. So literally in a matter of a few minutes, you've taken this information over here, had it summarized from Wikipedia by ChatGPT, and now you've got a video. Now imagine if you had a whole YouTube channel that was just about celebrities, and you just Wikipedia is your source material, right? It's your source for information about the celebrities. Imagine how popular that channel would be, especially if you had ChatGPT pull out the most little known things about that celebrity, right? Or the quirky things about that celebrity, or the whatever it is, right? That would be such a powerful channel. And that's just one example of what you could do. Let's say that you're into space, for example. You could just go into Wikipedia and find all the space topics, the most popular space topics in Wikipedia, and make videos just about space. And maybe your niche is selling high-powered telescopes. You know, maybe that's your niche, and you use Amazon's affiliate program. There's so many opportunities with this that, like I said, I was telling James, I'm like, I don't know if we want to do this video because, man, this is powerful stuff.
And it's amazing because we're quickly breaking this down, and we're like, you know, get this from Wikipedia, get it from ChatGPT, and then go make your video. And it's very quick to say that, and it is quick to do, but you have to remember how deep the layers are behind underneath this, right? Just when you see like the tip of the iceberg and there's all this below it. When we say just go to Wikipedia, well, Wikipedia is massive. Wikipedia has all this stuff that's been vetted, and you can agree or disagree. You know, does it lean a little left? Does it lean a little right? That's not the point. But when we're talking about someone's life or a certain topic, 99% of what's there is pretty spot on. So like Dave said, you could just take an angle and say, well, you know what, ChatGPT, give me the interesting points from this. But we're quickly doing that. We're doing a quick copy and paste, takes a couple seconds. ChatGPT takes a couple seconds. But think about all the billions of dollars behind Wikipedia and mental hours and stuff that people went in there and mainly add that. Think about all the power, all this VC money that's behind ChatGPT. Think about how amazing it is with this new tool that's making the videos for you. All of that power, it's there.
Amazing.
And sometimes I think sometimes people don't get it. When we quickly say, here's 3 quick steps, I don't know that people necessarily realize how much power that's behind that to quickly do this. And sometimes when we make videos, people say, well, this is competitive, or they look at kind of the negative things behind it. But when you sit back and you say, my gosh, I have the power of these 3 crazy tools in and of themselves working together, how can you not crush whatever the niche is?
Well, let's just stop and think about how this would work if you didn't have AI, right? And if you didn't have the internet, okay, like imagine gathering all that information, that research quickly and easily, like you can on Wikipedia. Like that would be difficult, right? Imagine having to summarize it in person. Some person has to go in there and go, look at this giant article and summarize that. How long would that take? Plus, you'd have to pay a human reviewer to summarize all that for you, right? And that would take time and money. And then imagine having a whole video crew that's going to compile B-roll, have a voiceover artist come in and record that, have a video editor that puts it all together, adds music, so somebody goes and researches the music. All that stuff we're talking about in a matter of minutes you can do. It's crazy. It's crazy the kind of leverage that you have right now by doing this. So we wanted to share that with you. Again, it might be a product in the future. We might end up taking this video down, but we want to share with you because, man, you can dominate any niche. Any niche is available there on Wikipedia. You name it, it's there, right? You think about something you enjoy, something you like. It's probably on Wikipedia, and you can build a whole business around that using a faceless YouTube channel. In the past, I come from the online course business. In the past, a lot of people would say, well, my English isn't very good. I'm not very good at speaking English. Or they might say, I have a thick accent. I don't know if people would like it. Or they might say, I have a face for radio, right?
I just don't want to be on camera.
I don't want to be on camera, right? And so here you've got a faceless YouTube channel. You can still take advantage of the power and leverage of YouTube by using these tools together. Now you've got a whole channel that's voiceover, B-roll. You don't have to be on camera. You don't have to use your voice. It's amazing. It's accessible to anybody in the world. So be sure to check out the links in the descriptions below. Oops. We'll include
Leave
that
that in there. Leave that in there.
So be sure to check out the link in the description below to that amazing tool called InVideo. We've got that in there for you, and all the other details that we have. And if you like this kind of channel, you like this kind of information, check out our free AI newsletter where we go more in depth, and we also send you every video that comes out as it comes out. And we'll see you next time on Making Money with AI.